Ignore this bulb for now and just flow with me. I will try to get the index of the card that should be played next using a conditioner. First, I will create a variable card whose value is going to be that conditioner. I will check if the card number argument is passed to the function, and if that is the case, the card variable will be equal to the card number. If it is not passed to the function, then we will call this.getCard with the player as the first argument. Then the type of the last game will become the second argument, and the value of the last game will become the third argument. Next, I will use the card variable to retrieve a matching card from the player cards, and I will store the card returned inside a variable played card. This is not to be confused with the played cards array. I will check if the type of the last game matches the type of the played card, or the value of the last game matches the value of the played card, or the value of the last game is 1. Why all of these checks? This is because in the game, for you to be able to play a card, its value or type has to match the value or type of the last game that was played, or the value of the last game has to be 1, because you can play any card of any value or any type as long as the value of the last card that was played is 1. If that is not the case, that is, there is no match for the played cards and the last game, then I will remove one card from the market and push it into the played cards. Remember, the played cards store the cards of the current player, because in the Woods game, if you do not have a valid card to play, you have to draw one game from the market, and then we are going to update the next player property so the game moves on to the next player, and then I'm going to return an object with a market property which is equal to this dot market, and played cards property which is equal to this dot played card.